Yes. Raise your hand or you can give the answers in the chat box. What are the spellings of malicious? Malware is the short form of malicious software. Malware is the short form of malicious software. Learn the spellings carefully. Malicious. Clear? MALICIOUS. Malware is the short form of. Once again. Very good. What does malware includes? What does malware includes? Malware includes virus, worms, Trojan horse. Malware includes virus, worms, Trojan horse. Next, what are computer virus? What are computer virus? Very good. So he's fully prepared for the today's test. Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. So computer virus is a malware which will separate itself from one computer to the another and it will interfere with the normal operations of the computer system. Clear? So learn the definition properly. Computer virus is a malware which will separate from one system to another and it will disturb the or it will disturbs the normal working or normal operations of the computer system. Is it okay? Clear, bache? Okay. What are the symptoms of computer virus? What are the symptoms of computer virus? Yes, Raymond.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the symptoms, bache?
Ma'am, the computer runs slower as before, and it will restart again and again. Many programs will not respond, and many different messages will appear on the screen again and again.
Right. Harshika?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Harshika?
Ma'am, the symptoms of virus are computer runs slower. It frequently stops working. It restarts every minute and the files get deleted automatically. Different icons and different files appear on the screen.
Very good. Anybody else? Yes, different and strange icons appear on the screen. Okay, speak one point, everyone. Computer runs slower. Computer crashes and it will restart every few minutes. The files of the computer will get deleted. New files appear on the screen. It will take time to load the programs. Okay, any other points? Programs taking long time to load. Computer starts hanging or it will stop working. So clear? Symptoms means signs by which you come to know, yes, that computer is at risk, your computer is being affected. So what are the signs or what are the symptoms by which you come to know that the computer virus has hit your system? So number one, computer will run slower as usual before the login. It will take longer time to load the programs. The computer stops responding. It will hang frequently. Computer will crash. It will restart every few minutes. New files start appearing on the system. Strange names of the files. You will be unable to access the files or the content of the files that will get deleted. Unusual and strange messages will start appearing on the system. New icons appear on the screen. Strange graphics will be displayed on the monitor. So these are such kind of symptoms that you will come to get when the computer will be affected with virus. Is it clear? Once again. Okay, the next is name the computer virus which will force the Microsoft to turn off their email systems. Name the virus that have forced the Microsoft company to turn off their email system. Yes, that is the Melissa virus that forced Microsoft to shut down their email system. What are the spellings of Melissa? Melissa. Once again, Melissa. That is Melissa. Melissa is a virus which came into the existence 1990 that forced the Microsoft company to turn off the email system. Clear? What is the full form of virus? Yes, Sana.
Vital information resources under SIES.
SIES. That is SIES. Okay. So learn the
Okay,
spellings
ma'am.
correctly. Vital information resources under SIES. What are the spellings of SIES? SEIGE. Once again. Very good. What are worms? What are the nature of worms? Worms का क्या nature है spread करने के लिए? What does worm require? Yes, very good. So worms require computer network in order to spread. अगर वो spread करेगा तो सिर्फ computer network के कारण ही spread करेगा. Is it clear? Yes. Come on to the page number 127. Learn the definition of worm there. A computer worm is a malware which uses computer network to send copies of itself to other computers on the network. Learn, everyone? By self-replicating it. It will create the copy of itself and it will spread over the computer network. वो हर वायरस करता है, चाहे वो ट्रोजन है, चाहे वो वॉर्म है. एनी काइंड ऑफ वायरस विल डिक्रीज द स्पीड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. आपकी सिस्टम की परफॉर्मेंस स्लो होगी ही होगी, बट इट इज हैविंग सम डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. लाइक वॉर्म्स नीड कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. ट्रोजन्स की क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है? दे अपीयर्स टू बी यूजफुल बट इन एक्चुअल दे कॉज डैमेज टू द सिस्टम. सो कंप्यूटर वॉर्म्स. हु विल टेल मी द डेफिनेशन नाउ? Malware that spread by creating the copy of itself, and it will spread on the computer network. Yes, last girl. Very good. Who will tell me the answer? Online students. Okay, Sia.
A worm is a kind of malware that uses computer network to send itself copies to other computer on the same network.
Correct. Okay, the next type of malware is Trojan horse. What are Trojan horses? These are the malwares that may allow unauthorized access to the computer that will it infects, or it appears to be useful, but in actual it causes damage to the computer system. So they have the hidden characteristic. They used to be hide it themselves with the file, which appears to be useful, but later on it will destroy the system. Clear? Yes? What are Trojans? It is good. Yes, Adnan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache.
Ma'am, Trojan horse is a malware that may allow unauthorized access to the computer it infects.
Yes. Anybody else? Yes, last girl. Very good. So the definition of worm and Trojan horse is clear. Everyone. The next topic is, how does a computer get infected? So there are several ways by which your computer will be at risk. Your computer will be get infected with the virus. So some of the ways are, number one. So number one is CD or pen drive. Internet, computer networks, last one is email attachment. Yes. So 4 ways by which a computer will get infected by the virus. So there are several other ways also, but these are the common ways by which your computer will be get infected. So number one, CD, DVD or pen drive, internet, computer network, attachments. So once again, pen drive, very good. दैट इज सिम्टम कि आपके फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स करप्ट होते हैं. फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर से वायरस थोड़ा ना स्प्रेड हो रहा है. सो दीज आर दी वेज बाय विच योर फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स विल बी करप्टेड और इट विल गेट डिलीटेड. क्लियर? सो how what are the ways by which the computer will get infected? That is clear. Okay, so I am going to ask certain questions, so let me know who all know the answer. Virus, worms or करप्ट मीन्स डिस्ट्रॉय. आपकी विंडो खराब हो जाती है, ठीक है, हम यूजुअली टर्म यूज करते हैं विंडो करप्ट हो गई. वायरस, वर्म्स और ट्रोजन हॉर्सेस आर ऑल सॉफ्टवेयर्स or are the malwares that will harm the computer in some or the other way. True or false? The answer is true. Yes. So these are the malwares which will harm the computer in some of the or the other way. A computer virus spreads when you copy the infected file to some other computer. हाँ जी. A computer virus spread when you copy the infected file to some other computer. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. जब भी आप कोई infected file या pen drive आप किसी system पे attach करेंगे तो particular system will be at risk. A worm can spread on its own. True. Just we discussed right now that worms is the self-replicating in nature. So it will create the copy of one. So it will spread on its own. So that's why it is true. Last one, all the email attachments are safe and can be downloaded without any concern. False. So email attachments are not safe. Whenever you need to download the email attachments, you first scan it. After downloading, scan it and then run on your computer system. हमने अभी discuss किया ना? So email attachment is one of the way by which the computer will be infected. So that's why the answer is false. Is it clear? Yes, Sana, I'm listening, बच्चे. Adnan.
Yes, ma'am.
What are antivirus softwares?
Ma'am, antivirus software are the software that are used to protect a computer from malwares.
Yes, so antivirus softwares are the softwares which will help your computer system to remove the malware. So it should be updated regularly so that the new viruses can be detected and can be removed from the system. Clear? So अभी तक हमने क्या डिस्कस करा? What are computer viruses? What are malwares? What does malware include? It includes three terms: virus, worms, and trojans. Then we discussed computer virus. So these are the malwares which will spread and disturb the normal functioning of the computer. Worms need computer network in order to spread from one system to another. It is self-replicating. That means it can create copies of itself and it will spread on the computer network. Trojan horses. These are the malwares which allows unauthorized access of the computer. It infects. It appears useful, but it actually causes damage to the system. Clear? The full form of virus is vital information resources under siege. Then we studied the symptoms of virus, that news icons keep appearing on the screen. Your computer will take long time to respond. Your Windows will get corrupted. Your system got crashed. So the ways by which the computer will be infected with the virus, there are certain ways. These are CDs, DVDs or pen drives, internet, computer network, email attachments, right? Then with the help of which softwares you can remove the viruses from the system? The answer is antivirus software. Examples of antivirus softwares: Norton, AVG, K7, Avira, Avast. Don't write incorrect spellings. So learn the spellings carefully. यहाँ पे commonly mistake that I have seen in your copies. यहाँ पे A नहीं होता बच्चे, it's O. Norton, Norton. K7 है. आप यहाँ पे कोई और डिजिट नहीं डालोगे. McAfee में AFEE. Apart from these, you can write Bitdefender. Clear? So learn them again. Bitdefender, Bitdefender, Avast, Avira, McAfee, K7, Norton, Windows Total Security. ठीक है? Clear? Yes. So you need to update your antivirus software. तो वो न्यू वायरसेस को रिमूव ही नहीं करेगा. It will not able to detect the new viruses. You know, every day the new viruses are being released in your system. And if you will not update, your computer will not able to, your antivirus will not able to. No, it is not possible. Okay, the last topic, protecting the computer. So how you can able to protect the computer? Use original operating system, use antivirus software, update the antivirus software on the regular basis, beware of the email attachments, do not download pirated software, visit only trustworthy websites and scan all the email attachments. Yes, so clear? So today's test, be prepared for it at 4 p.m. Okay? And attempt the test in very neat and clean handwriting. Leave one space after every answer. Make proper PDF. Okay? Good luck for the test.